Yo, peace family. With the recession looming, let's put in some work and protect our money. Let's check out these charts. All right, family. So this is the S&P chart. All right, S&P closed at 3,873.33 cents, and we're going to do the top-down method where we're looking at the overall market perspective here, and we can see that over the last 10 years, it has been extremely bullish. We're buying the dip. Has worked. Will that continue? Let's zoom in and see if we can get some help with some chart reading. So we recently had our downturn, as you know. Everyone's experiencing that. And the most recent week closed with a huge red candle. What is this telling us? This is telling us that sellers are still strong. We need the buyers to step in order to help lift the market, obviously. So where can that happen at? We're looking at the chart. We want to find our support, and I highlighted it here very simply, and that is because you can see everything started to bounce around here. Support, think of it as a trampoline. You can see the similar effect happen around here on the last time we were at this level. When we were above and it struggled a little bit, around this level it started to bounce. So we hit it before, and I think we're heading there again. We want to check out the market to see what happens around this level. If we can support ourselves, then we can sustain another rally. If not, we are heading lower. Now, the pattern that I see in front of us, this could be quite dangerous. This here could be a bear flag. That bear flag could signal a move lower. I want you to protect yourself out here. Make sure that you're putting yourself in the best position when you're buying stocks that is going to at least come back to that area if it does continue to move lower. So you have your self-defense in your portfolio. Speaking of that, if there's some stocks that you are really interested in, leave that in the comments. We could talk about that because, as you know, chart reading is applicable to any stock. We cover the market with all four of the indexes. But if there's a specific stock, like I said, leave it in the comments. Hit that like, smash that subscribe button. Support the kid, all right? That's S&P. Let's go on over to the streets of the Russell, and we use ticker IWM. So IWM closed at 178.99. It's like a price at Walmart somewhere. 178.99 is where the Russell closed at. So what are we looking for here? Oh yeah, hold on. Top down, top down. 10-year, you can see clearly it's been bullish. We've struggled. We've got ourselves what I believe is an inverted cup and handle pattern, and that could also lead to a market move lower. So as we zoom in, we can see that we've experienced our downturn, and the most recent week here has been a huge red candle here as well. What is this telling us? We are seeing sellers dominate. They are in full effect in the market. They could drag prices lower. Now here we see our 200-day moving average. It has been closed below before, but it also rebounded. We're back around that rebound area. I think that we return to that 170 price to test out the strength of what these bears got. They could have some muscle, or they could have that Bugs Bunny muscle, you know. The one that drips down when he was flexing. We about to find out. I think we end up double bottoming here, and we're going to see what type of muscle they have. All right, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. You know that supports me big time. All right, so that's IWM. Let's go ahead and check out the Dow. We use $DJI. All right, so tell me where you're from. Let me know in the comments. As I continue to grow, I love to talk to you. So let me know where you rep. All right. The Dow closed at 30,822.42 cents. All right. And we're going to take the top down. You can see 10 years. Obviously, we've been bullish. We've got ourselves what I believe also is another inverted cup and handle pattern. And we are testing out what I believe is the neckline, which you can find out more about that on the website. So we are at the neckline. Let me zoom in one more time. This support. We are bouncing around this area, and we're actually touching in this area we were at before. I think we end up hitting towards that 30,000 area before we finally see who's real Tell me who's real. That's all we want to know. All right, that's the Dow, and let's finally check out the Nasdaq, and we use ticker NDX. All right, the Nasdaq closed at 11,861.38. We round up. Top down 10 years has been very bullish, and then recently we've had our hiccup where we move lower, and I think we eventually end up testing out the lows of the Nasdaq as well. All four indexes are showing you this huge red candle, family. That huge red candle is giving everybody the signal, the spooky vibes, that the bears are here and they're ready. They're ready to take control again. Will they do it? We don't know. Now, with technical analysis, any chart reading, you have to always approach with that. You don't know what's going to happen. All you know is that there is going to be a move made. And when that move is made, that is going to be the determining factor for what you should do to protect yourself. So ways to protect yourself is simply buying near the best levels that you can possibly find. That's why I highlight the support. That's why I highlight the resistance. Those are two areas that you have to find on your chart to give you your best defense to protect your money. With this recession, you don't know what's going to happen. Price of everything can go up. So what do? You buy at the best price. Best example, anytime they've always tried to scare us in the market, just like COVID, right? Oh yeah, everything's going to be shut down, yada yada, right? So what did people do? They bought at support. That support was what? Raiding Target, getting toilet paper, Kleenex, whatever they could, in order to hoard as much as they possibly can in their house. That's a form of support. You're supporting yourself so you can make it through. Make sure you support yourself by buying at the best possible prices. Read your chart, family. Your chart is going to guide you to that money. Trust me on that, all right? So that's it for this week. Make sure that you check me out every single week. And as a matter of fact, I'm posting more. I appreciate everybody leaving their comments. I love you. Make sure you love yourself. There's nobody out here better to teach you that than yourself. And you cannot love anybody until you love yourself. That love goes out. Take care of yourself. Health is wealth. As you can see, I'm about to hit that gym right back there. I am the gym. All right. Take care of yourself. Health is wealth. Take care of yourself. I can't tell you enough. There's water here. Drink your water. Get your exercise. This market stuff is great, but it means nothing if your health is not in the best that it can possibly be. Take care of yourself, please, all right? And we'll check you next week. Peace.